I just saw a video of people in KZN, somewhere in KZN, whereby they are kicking out kids of foreign nationals. That thing is bad. That thing is bad, guys. And I blame the arrogance of the parents. You know, when South Africans were telling you, Obana, yeah, stop doing this. Stop coming to our country illegally. Stop applying for this and this and that illegally. And then you guys bought your children's education. You bought everything under these corrupt, government officials. And South Africans were seeing it. They were talking about it. And they were gunning for you. Remember, South Africans fought for this country. We fought white people for this country. Anyone who's going to come to this country illegally or otherwise, we are going to fight you. We are not going to shy away. That is just in basic principles of us South Africans. Reason why we are fighting you is because you are coming to our country illegally, and we don't do those things into your countries. We go to your countries in the right way, We do everything that needs to be done. If there's any form of paperwork that needs to be completed, we do that. But you guys, you come to our country and then you take advantage of us. And when we ask you nicely, Obana, hey, please, man, don't do this. It's wrong. Now, you guys, you're telling us we are weak. You're telling us all these sorts of names. Look at your kids now. Your kids are exposed to violence because of what? Because of your arrogance. Because of trusting the fact that you will always buy things. It does not work now. And you guys are going to call us xenophobic and all these names. It's not xenophobic. We are trying to fix our country. We are trying to fix this country. It's messed up because of people like yourself. You come here illegally. On top of that, you start swearing at us. You're calling us all sorts of names just because you are making money in the wrong ways. Your kids now are exposed to violence. They are called all sorts of names because of you parents. Irresponsible parents. South Africans don't play. You think just because we are gentle and soft, we don't see things, we don't fight things. People are talking day to day. They are talking. And they are planning around whatever that you are doing that is wrong. South Africans. I know South Africans.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo waseMzansi. Nangibodwa send the message to my foreigners uthi nifika la South Africa ngalongeke emthethweni nifike nendingani ene bribe etikolweni bathathe bantwabenu. Ngiyalo bantwabenu bayahlupheka etikolweni bayathuka bayaqoshwa because of you guys, because nendatinto ngendlela lengeke emthethweni ethi ma South Africans uma kanitshela and vele nje ninenisho ukuthi abanitsheli lokho. Now your kids are suffering etikolweni. Now your kids bayahlushwa bayaharasswa emagedini ma South Africans sekufana nize niphume emisebentini nitobalanza. All for what? For what? Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.